Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to vlog. We are going to a very exciting place with a pool, of course, and I've just taken a head bath and I've done a little makeup. I will change into different clothes and I will tell you everything about what is going to happen today. So yeah, I'll see you. So guys, I'm ready and this is all the stuff that you can see behind me that we are going to take. We have to go to the bus right now. And yeah, I'll tell you where we are going in the bus itself.
Te sigo buscando, tanto, tanto, tanto llevo, pero no encuentro rastro que me
Guys, the road over here is totally gone.
es que estoy cerca, cuando quiero de una vez decirte adiós.
So we have to walk through this sand to go to our bus. That is Apurva. So we are going to our bus now. They're doing something. This is my mother. Are you ready? Yes. Yes. So this is a bus. We are only 8 people, but this is a 14-seater. And my father is reading a newspaper in the car, in the bus actually. So guys, we are going to Dandeli. It is around 140 kilometers from Goa. It will take us around 3.5 hours to 4 hours. And yes, we are very excited. It's like our family and my mother's friends family. So we are around 8 people going there. And we are going to stay in the Dewdrops Jungle Resort, which has a swimming pool. Our package has many activities like kayaking, boating, then trekking, then sightseeing. Many activities are included, so it's going to be fun. Tomorrow we are going to do all the activities. Now we have reached Ponda, and yes, we are going to enjoy. And also in this vlog I'll tell you about a life update. It's a life-changing life update, so yeah, stay tuned for that too. Picnic time. My mom's friend, her husband. ये मैं हूँ, ये हमारी बस है और ये हमारा खाना है और यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है. So a small mini picnic is done and we are heading back to Dandeli. This is my friend Soham. It's very hot, guys. Everyone is sweating. Look at my sister with the towel. Why did you put down the towel? We are back on the road.
Tanto, tanto, tanto llevo, pero no encuentro rastro que me diga si es
We have reached Karnataka.
cuando quiero de una vez decirte adiós.
So guys, we got our tickets. Now we are heading towards the destination. We have reached. This is a Paltan.
My heart's beating, boom, boom, beating harder, boom, boom.
We have reached, but we are not given any rooms yet. So we are looking around the property. Appu is also very excited. These are the commando tents. So this is our room, like a small cottage. This is where you enter, and then there is a big mirror, and then here there is a washroom. I think it's pretty good. washroom. Here there is a cupboard with lights. And then here is a main room. Oh my god. Wow, the lights are cool. Oh my god. It has a AC and there is a TV. There are compartments over here. Oh, I think we have a gallery too. Oh wow, we have a gallery. Oh, but this is cool, guys. There are some workers. Still some work is going on, but the bed is so cute. Oh my god, it's a huge bed. Wow, I love this room. And from here, I'll show you. You can see the pool. Oh my god, you can directly dive into the pool from the room. Yay! How excited are you?
I'm very much excited.
So guys, you can see all the clothes are lotkofying over here, and I have removed my makeup and I put some sunscreen. I've changed my clothes because I'm going in the pool. It's almost 5 o'clock. We had left at around 12. It took us a lot of time because the roads were not good, as you saw. You must have already seen. I can see the pool, guys, and people are playing, as you can see. Okay, so now this is Soham, as I have already introduced you, and my mom, and Saish. Say hi, Saish.
Sandhya.
And Sandhya, my mom's friend. So we are going to have tea now, and yeah, then we will do cycling.
नया एपिसोड देखिए
तो कौन सा एपिसोड and then we will go swimming. Chalo, let's go. We had tea and we went to the pool and we just saw the timings of the pool are from 9 to 6. Wow. We had changed and we were ready to go to the pool. We were so excited. But the pool is closed. So now we are going to go do archery. We got a swing. हमारी पूल की इच्छा खत्म. कल जाएंगे. So I'm ready for his first archery session. Second session. Woo, लागलो. Hi up. New cycling champ in our town. We die over here. So guys, we did archery. We cycled for some time around the place. The place is very nice actually, and the rooms are also pretty good. So we are going to the rooms and we are going to sit and play Uno flip. So we are going to try it for the first time. We just got the Uno flip, and yes, and also maybe cards, normal cards. So yeah, I'm waiting for the key now. Uno flip. It's a very confusing game.
Okay, okay.
We are going for rain dance now. As you can see the music, hear the music. So yes, so excited. Appu and Soham, we are ready. Let's go! So I'm done with the rain dance. Suddenly too many people entered the crowd, so I left scared of corona. So going to my room, going to change and then go for dinner. I have changed. The rain dance is still going on. Let me show you all some beautiful cottages. guys, we are in the room, me and Soham. This my mom has tied some rope, desi moms. So and also we have blown out some balloons because it's Soham's dad's birthday tomorrow, and we are going to
Giving a surprise.
giving him a surprise, celebrating it here. So yeah, we are going to decorate and cut the cake at 12 o'clock. See you. Searching for coin. अप्पू कसलो उडयला गो तुवें कॉइन कसलो टॉस केला रे बाबा आता सोद कॉइन सर्च ओके सिंह लायन टायगर क्रिकेट क्रिएचर 3D playing main decode, serious mode on. It is 12 o'clock and this is the decoration. I will show you the decoration. This is the decoration. This is a cake. So it is going to be 12 o'clock and it is a surprise. We are waiting.